Uteti kukonya uni wa chama cha ODM muungamoni wa ateti kyamani ki utetini ukite usumbi uendee kuvyuva. Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ayikiiya mutongoi wa ODM Raila Odinga niwaile kumukwata Mbau utetini wake wa usumbi 2027 vala amwe kyamani cha ODM nimambiiyie kukanya atongoi anene kyamani ki mevathulane na kutembeanya na Kalonzo maiweta ndena vinya ona umwe wa kusinda na Ruto utetini ukite usumbi. Benjamin Mwake na mauvo.
Na watu ndani ya chama changu cha ODM wamesahau chama kilitoka wapi. Kama umechoka kutetea wananchi, umechoka kusimama na haki, wewe ondoka ndani ya chama, wewe uingie tu UDM pamoja. Mkue huko na Ruto, si ndio?
Unyanya wa ODM na muno mwandiki munene wa chama kisi netoka kaunti Luvi Edwin Sifuna wa kuikalanya baguvena mutongo wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka niwambiiyie kuthatia hamwe mateti ma chama kii cha ODM yumbe wa game Elisho Odhiambo eweta Sifuna ndailite kuendea kukanya yumbe na atongoi ma chama kii alambe na kukumwe silikalini na ali ya kuungamia mutua uo nukwambisya musukumo wa kumbetanga mwathani usu.
I've said before, not today, that the Secretary General has been out of order by lecturing everybody about how ODM members should behave. I don't think we want SG to have the Babu Namwamba experience. I think the gentleman, he knows what he needs to do. SG, when he was talking to Rarieda, the last statement, that's what we need to point what he said. He said, people cannot put their Murija, Mbadi and Wandai, and his Murija is not there. He will not agree. I think that's out of order.
Ati ondini wonenanya na channel kimwe mutandaoni wa YouTube mutongoi wa chama kii cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka eweta ungami wa ODM niwo mwasi wa chama kii na unangwatanyo imbya kutetila ukite ili wana mwana wa ODM thini pala yukwenda Raila asindite na atasindite kivila cha mwene kivila thini wa ngwatanyo ya Ndesi Africa ya UC niwaile kuthiumu ya uteti wa vamusi na Emukwata Mbau.
Whether or not Raila goes to the AU, it doesn't go. William Ruto's days are numbered as leader.
So are you saying, in effect, because you feel if Raila does not get the chairmanship, if it plays out that way, that he should retire from active politics in Kenya?
I will advise Raila to retire and support, like William. Join Uhuru Kenyatta. Uhuru is out of the leadership. He is not intending to run again. I think Raila will join Uhuru in that capacity. Retired statesman.
And back who for opposition leader?
Of course it will be his choice. But I think Raila then will have a second chance to say, hey, that was a misstep. I must be with the people. And if he chooses to be with the people, he will support us.
You say us.
But if he wants to support Ruto, of course we will deal with them both. I can tell you this Sunday was Secretary General Sifuna, and I know that if you want to gauge Raila's political position, listen to Jim Orengo and listen to Sifuna and to Peter Nyang'nyong. All right? So I can tell you, this is why there was a feeling that we should form this coalition ahead of the AU elections. But we say if we do that, it will lock out a lot of members of ODM who want to be with us. So we have taken the decision, say let us get Raila's election done over with, and then we reconstitute our new coalition. That will take into account ODM.
Methmani ya oyume tukia mwamba ateti mbinu wa chama cha ODM memo hanini ma Mutongoi mbinu wa chama ki Senator Viga Godfrey Ososi na governor wa kaunti ya Kisii Simbarati ni manenete sanzuku weta nimekwata Mbau muungamo wa Sifuna na kuendea kutetea mwene Ndesi savalini imwana Kalonzo muungamo ula uthatiti muno alame otamwaki silikalini.
I saw the other day Ososi has also joined that quadrum plus Simbarati. I want to remind all of them, they are just caretakers. There's been no election in ODM. There's a political pressure. Everybody is joining new alliances. Okay? But I think even if he wants to join another alliance like Kalonzo, who is a very weak candidate, he should be able to be choosy.
Vilingwa mavo kumavamu sinilovi nye nito Benjamin Mwaka.